Good afternoon, everyone. I greet you all in the spirit of togetherness and oneness. I want to try my possible best from the little I know to elaborate more on how to do our GNSS processing using high targets Geomatics Office. So, before I start, I want you to know that this is very, very important in your profession. At least if you don't know anything about GNSS, at least you're just trying to know how to process the little I know I want to impact. And while I'm making this video, even though you do it because of your assignment, you can have this video beside you whenever any will come. You can at least try to follow this procedure to achieve your goal, inshallah. So please, I want to share this idea with you guys, and I need you to calm down, to go through it, and step by step, I think inshallah you will be guided. So let's start. Let me start by launching my HGO, which is High Target Geomatics Office. If you don't have it, try and get it installed. Double click on it. While it loads, you wait. Okay, this is it now. It has done loading. This is the HGO interface. So the first things you need to do here in HGO when you have launched it, you want to start. So you have to start from new project. Click on new project. It has shown. So you have to name the project. So maybe I will name it control extension. Control extension. Okay. So the directory, you can define a folder where it will be saved, but mine I just want to save on this HGO auto project. So I can just say OK or direct it to my own folder. So you OK it. This is it. You have created your project and it has taken you to the next step. Come to this tolerance. The tolerance, you have to the standard, make it user defined. Click on this user defined, then come to this advanced. So from the advanced, come to the information again. The information, just write the project. You can just write out the same thing as control extension. So this time zone, your time zone has to be +1, just in case if it is not +1, please make it +1 and OK it. You OK it, another interface will pop up again. This is another interface. It is showing your projection, the ellipsoid. You can see. So this is the projection. You can also so just in case when you know, if I can click on this